Okay, I'm putting on my cheap $20 aluminum adjustable. Important to note that in order to get this out far enough, you gotta line that hole up and do it out here to get it onto that. It's quite a pain until you do that, and then it's as simple as just lining it up and putting it in. And then you just grab the weird looking screw, pop it down in there. You should get it lined up and tighten it down. Then put the bolt on the bottom is a 10mm. Be sure to reset this out there to the right place where you've got a little bit of play. I added a little bit of lube in there, as you can see, because it was sticking just a bit, and now it feels great. And there's the adjustability. Same thing on this side. Just taking off the 10mm bolt off the bottom, and then I'm going to unthread that. You can't really get it out the way that's lined up. You can move this cord so you can get that thing, but this one you just got to push up, and then you can get that the rest of the way. And of course this side's easier. You just slide it out. There's nothing to take off. It's just compressing. Get the replacement one, and line it up, and that's about it. And just clamp that one on. Give it a little torque. And the look on this bike is much better with the black. And they're shorter too. Oh yeah, that's great. That's going to be great.